What's going on, YouTube? This is Lady Wrenchhand. Be sure to check the description box below for a direct link to my website where you can download a PDF copy of the questions from this video and any video on my channel. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Without further ado, you are watching Maintenance Forms, Records, and Publications. Number 1. Where are the regulations governing aircraft found? Title 14 CFR. Number 2. According to Title 14 CFR Part 3, what does airworthy mean? That the aircraft conforms to its type design and is in a condition for safe operation. Number 3. What does a record refer to? Any writing, drawing, map, recording, tape, film, photograph, or other documentary material by which information is preserved or conveyed in any format. Number 4. Where are the airworthiness standards for normal, utility, acrobatic, and commuter category airplanes found? 14 CFR Part 23. Number 5. Where are the airworthiness standards for transport category airplanes? CFR Part 25. Number 6. Where are the airworthiness standards for aircraft engines? 14 CFR Part 33. Number 7. What part contains information regarding maintenance, preventative maintenance, rebuilding, and alterations? Part 43. Number 8. What part does the aircraft mechanics certification fall under? Part 65. Number 9. Where can the general operating and flight rules be found? Title 14 CFR Part 91. Number 10. Aircraft weighing less than 12,500 pounds takeoff weight are considered to be what size aircraft? Small aircraft. Number 11. What personnel are Part 121 operators required to have by Title 14 CFR 119? Director of Safety, Director of Operations, Director of Maintenance, a Chief Pilot, and Chief Inspector. Number 12. Where can definitions and abbreviations be found? 14 CFR Part 1. Number 13. What part covers repair stations? Part 145. Number 14. What part covers the regulations for aircraft maintenance schools? Part 147. Number 15. Before returning an aircraft to service after maintenance, preventative maintenance, rebuilding, or alteration, what must be done? An appropriate maintenance record entry must be made for the work performed. Number 16. Is a certificated pilot allowed to perform preventative maintenance on an aircraft that he or she owns or operates? Yes, and they must make a record entry of work performed. 17. What is a life-limited part? A part that has a mandatory replacement limit. 18. What does life status refer to? Accumulated cycles, hours, or any other mandatory limit of a life-limited part. (19) When removing a life-limited part, the person removing it must what? Control the part and ensure proper tracking of its life limits. (20) When transferring a life-limited part, what must be transferred with the part? Information regarding the life status of the part. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to comment below. I look forward to hearing from you.